Welcome to the Human Experience by Hiddenbody. For over a decade, we've explored movement in all its forms: strength, flexibility, coordination, and beyond. Our goal is to make the movement practice more inclusive and personal by sharing our unique experience. Ready to discover what your body is capable of? Go to hiddenbody.nl or click on the link below to download our free handstand guide, and let's move into today's episode.
You know what I mean? We're gonna try. Go all the way. I'll try.
It's Wednesday morning, and one of our most dedicated students, Alice, is already working on her legs, finding dexterity in the legs. It's always amazing to see how involved she is with everything she does, and also always reminding me, Jori, all the students, of the notion that the process never ends. You can always learn. Thank you, Alice.
Leto, how was your 5K?
Okay.
Can you tell it for the human experience?
After 3 it got tiring,
After 3 it got tiring.
but I'm happy to make 23.
What was your time?
23.
23.
4.
Aha. Oh.
04? No, 0.4. 2040.
Xposure.
That's right.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Left. Right, left. Right, left.
That's right.
Oh, sorry. That's right.
That's right.
Right, left, right, left.
Right, left.
That's right. That's right. Right, left. Right, left.
That's right.
Sorry, I'm not. That's right. Right, left. Left, right. Right, left. Left, right, left.
That's right. Left, right.
Right, left. Left, right, left.
Right, right. Left.
Right, left.
Wounded soldier. Power of the pack. Let's go. Follow the smile. Yeah, quit. leaving the coffee place. Jori is walking to World Movement Day. Walking to World Movement Day. Where's the world? Where's movement? And what will be the day?
Oh. Big questions again? I was totally in
Where
my wave.
is the world?
Where's the world?
What is movement and what will be the day? Because you're walking to World Movement Day right now.
Yeah. So part of the world is in Amsterdam.
Oh shit.
And movement is happening all over the world. And of course movement is a very big word, portmanteau.
Oh
call it.
Jesus.
But this day in a week, 29th of March, on Saturday, we will be giving people the experience here in Amsterdam about what it means to live inside of this body and to have a physically active life in a way. But we have been sharing maybe some sentences, but to truly feel it, you should experience it. So if you're in Amsterdam, you'll come. But if you're somewhere else in the world, there are multiple options to go to this event. So grab the chance now you can.
The planet.
Because the moment is now.
The moment is now. The planet is our playing field on World Movement Day. What? Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you could extract something useful out of it to put into your own movement practice. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like and subscribe, or go to hiddenbody.nl for on and offline options, or check out our free handstand guide to begin your handstand process. Looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.